This is my beauty blender at the moment. I know, it looks dirty. This is the only beauty blender I own. I know. So, I think it's Aleibeauty Beauty. They have sent me some beauty blenders to try out because they've noticed that this is the only beauty blender I've got and it's a bit dirty. Okay, ignore how badly I just opened the cardboard box, but look at all of that in there. I love how they put this stuff in it. Okay, so the first thing I got was the Chameleon Beauty Blender. Can be used for foundation and concealers. So I'm going to try that one out. And then this one, oh my god, look at that packaging. Isn't that cute? And then, let's try and open this. Oh my god. Stop. Look at that beauty. I don't even want to use it because it's gonna, oh, that is, I love that. I'm putting it in the wrong way. Look how cute that is though. I'm sorry, but I'm obsessed with the packaging. So to test these out, I'm going to use the e.l.f. Halo Glow Liquid Filter in the shade 1. We're going to do half my face using a beauty blender to see the difference. Okay, so I've taken the filter off so then I can give you guys a genuine review on the beauty blenders. Right, we're just going to put a little bit on this side. I'm not going to do all of the face, just this side. And then we'll go in with a beauty blender. Okay, so this is what the purple one looks like, but I feel like I want to go in with this one because it's different compared to this. This is like your normal beauty blender, but I feel like we're going to try this one. Yeah. Oh, I feel really sad that it's going to get dirty, but you know, we have to do it. Let's just do it. Right, here we go in with the beauty blender. I would say it's not as squishy as this one. I think that is because of the shape of it though. Okay, we're just going to carry on blending that in. Now this e.l.f. Halo Glow isn't full coverage, so... but it's looking good so far, compared to the difference. Okay, so I've just blended that out and it's not given any, like, it's not left any patches, which but I'm loving it. It's not, I wouldn't say it's as squishy as this one, but again, it's probably just because of the shape. But who doesn't want a beauty blender that looks like that? And it comes in a case so you can keep it perfect. I'm sorry, but I'm just obsessed with this. Like, I'm not going to stop going on about this packaging now. Now, let's do the other side using the other beauty blender. Okay, so we're just going to do the same process. And I'm going to put a little bit of this on the other side of my face. Just a little bit. Think that will do. And then I feel so, I don't want to get it dirty, look. But you've got to go in for it. Got to go in. Right, let's do this. Okay, so this side has been blended in with this beauty blender, and again it's left no patches. It's smoothed out, it's all in its place. The foundation's everywhere I need it to be. I'm obsessed with these beauty blenders, you know. It's good to have different ones because this I use for literally everything and it's so boring. But now I've got two. I can use this one for foundation, this one for concealer. And you know what? We're going to put it to the test and even use concealer now. Okay, so we're going to put concealer on. And we're going to see if it works. So let's do it. Okay, so again we're going to go over this beauty blender on this side and this beauty blender on the other side so we can test them both out. Right, so going over the corners. So obviously this one's got a corner, like a point end. So it might actually be perfect for this. Because you can get right under the eye. Obviously without poking yourself. But you can get right under there. So then you can get rid of the black under your eyes. That's all blended out. That's perfect. And I'm going to do this. I think this beauty blender is perfect for concealer because you can get right under the eye there in case any mascara falls off, and then for me, I've got like spots right like under my nostrils here, so that's perfect to get right in there, so then you can cover up. I'm obsessed with this beauty blender in particular because it's just the shape of it, like it's perfect. You can do foundation on that side, concealer on that side. I love it. And then now we're going to go with the other beauty blender for the other side. So I'm going to try this end maybe and see, because again you can use foundation for that side and then concealer on this side. I'm just going to go in with that on this side, and then on the forehead and the chin. So that is it all blended out with concealer and foundation, and I'm obsessed with these. I'm sorry, Made by Mitchell, you gotta go. These are just one. I definitely think this beauty blender is perfect for foundation and for concealer because you can get right in under the eye. I love it. These are literally my two new favourite now. I'm literally going to be using these every day, and yes. They aren't as squishy as, I think they're like the marshmallow ones, but they still do the job, and that's perfect. Thank you so much, Aleibeauty, for sending me these. I really hope I pronounced your business name right. If not, please shout at me for it. But thank you so much for sending me these, and I'm going to be using these every day now. So, brilliant.